welcome to another real estate video
from Yourhousekeyz.com, and that's keys with a Z.
My name is Yourhousekeyz with WK Estates with...
I'm Jay Galen with JG Homes. Our special guest today, Joe Kramer with Sierra Pacific Mortgage. Joe, thanks, man.
Happy to be here.
Education for me, and I hope it's going to be an education for you too. So
today we want to talk about one of the major obstacles buyers have, thinking that they're going to have difficulty qualifying for a loan.
Seems like there are a lot of stumbling blocks, Joe. What are some of those?
If you want to categorize them, I'd say that like we talked about earlier, the two main things why buyers don't buy are lack of knowledge and fear. So a lot of buyers don't think, oh, their credit's good enough. But you know that in this environment, that you could actually get in with as low as a 620 FICO score, in some cases lower than that, even 600 FICO score, even like on an FHA loan. Another reason why buyers don't buy, they say, well, I don't have enough money. You know, I need 10% down, I need 20% down. No, you only need 3% down conventional, depending on the loan amount, 3.5% down FHA, or 5% down conventional. And you don't need reserves. You don't need payment reserves. And we could even help with the closing costs, so you only get in with your down payment.
Well, there are also those out there that think they're smarter than the market, or they can anticipate what's going to happen. So they're timing things, and they're waiting for that bubble to burst.
Yeah, and I think we talked about this briefly in another video, but here's what's amazing is some, as you mentioned, buyers will say, well, I think prices are going to drop $20,000. Okay, let's just say they did. I don't think they will, but let's say they did. But what's going to happen is if the prices drop, the rates are going to go up. So right now, when you can get a below 4% interest rate on a mortgage, if you wait, let's say 6 months and the prices drop $20,000, okay, you'll save $100 in your mortgage, but you're going to be paying $150 to $200 more in the payment for a lower priced home. So you'll have a lower priced home, but you'll have a much higher payment.
I think buyers have seen the news, after 2008, and they heard that banks have really stringent criteria for giving out loans. That's all changed. It's all changed. As recently as 6 months ago, they've lowered the down payment requirements. They've made it easier to qualify. The FICO scores are lower than they've been in the past. The loan limits are still up. Look, when you can buy a $640,000 or $650,000 home and put just 3.5% down, and that's all you put into the home, or if you're a veteran and you put 0 down, up to $1 million, those are pretty easy guidelines. Oh, very easy.
Joe, thank you.
Absolutely.
There you go. Some great information for you. Joe Kramer, Sierra Pacific Mortgage. Invaluable. Thank you. Really appreciate
Happy
it.
to be here.
If you like this video, you'll see that little thumb down there. Put your mouse there.
And don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends.
To Yourhousekeyz here on YouTube. That's Z. Yeah, Z on House Keys. And visit us at Yourhousekeyz.com. Phone number coming up. Let's talk real estate.